About to go green. Stay focused.
So I've got Daytona and the Joe 86. I qualified towards the back. It's a rolling start.
Pace car is off. Time to
Pace
do
car
your
is
job.
off. I don't know what gear to be in.
Green, green, green.
There we go. Okay, well, not a bad start. I sort of eased off a little bit before we got going, but anyway, I just want to get through the first couple of turns. This is a big angry mob. It's a big slipstreaming race, obviously.
Still there, hold your line. You're on the right. 3 wide. Car on your left.
3 wide,
2
just
wide.
what we don't
Still
want.
there. Stay on the right. Keep to the right.
Okay.
Keep to the right.
I want to get left behind.
Clear on the left.
Clear on the left, that's good. Where are we? 14th, I think. Let's just see if we can keep up. I was a bit slow in qualifying.
Left side. Stay on the right.
Be
Still
careful
there,
on the
hold your
curbs
line.
in this car.
Clear. Left side. Keep to the right.
Okay, he's going through then, is he? Looks like it.
Clear.
Just want to be in the train for the slipstream if I can. And see where it all shakes out. So I've dropped a little bit there. I don't know how long this race is. 15 minutes, so it won't be that many laps. It's quite a long lap. Obviously going a bit quicker now. We've got the slipstream.
Car right. Clear on the right. Car right. Clear.
Yeah, someone ran into the back of me. That's helpful. Not very helpful at all. I've got this long flat out section. Can we do anything with it? I'll keep to the inside, I think.
22.266. Right side. Right side. Clear on the right. Right side. Clear on the right. Car on your left.
No, well, depending on the right side. And the car that hit me earlier has got to go on the left. So, okay. Better exit than them anyway. Left them for dead through that. One with slipstream is you do get a lot of bunching though, coming into the corners at the end of the long straights. It's difficult to get away. It makes for very close racing anyway. Don't know what he's doing.
Car right. Still there. Still there.
If I can just get the slipstream from this blue car, I'll be okay.
Still there. Hold your line.
Not sure if I will though.
Stay on the left. You're in the middle. 3 wide.
Oh,
Hold your
great.
line. Still hold. Clear on the right. 2 wide. Clear on the left. Car on your left.
Yeah, I got a better exit
Still
than the
there.
green car. Still there though.
Still there.
This is like racing the
Still there.
NASCARs, isn't it? I'm going to get hung out to dry. And I'm right at the back. Bloody hell.
You're on the right. 3 wide. Still there. Still there. Car on your left. 2 wide.
Bloody hell.
Keep to the right. You're on the right. 3 wide.
3 wide. Look at this.
Still hold. 13.
Not really getting anywhere here, are we?
6. Hold your line. Left side, 2 wide. Clear.
I went out wide there because
Car on your left.
I was going to get hung out to
Stay on
dry
the right.
again.
Still there, hold your line. 10 minutes to go. Keep to the right. Clear.
Okay. We're all the way at the back. I thought I was doing all right. Bloody hell. We're not getting anywhere here, are we? Those curbs are lethal.
Car right. Keep to the left. Go left. Go right. Clear on the right.
Okay, well that worked. I think we'll get away from that pack, but can we catch anyone else? Ah. So 2.4 ahead, so they won't get our slipstream. But we're 3 seconds behind, so we're not going to get a slipstream either unless we can close up. So let's see what we can do. Gosh, we were really in the back group, weren't we there? See if we can close. 3.2 now, so that's not helping. Whether they're going to work together and claw themselves back up to me, I don't know. Particularly on this section, so they're being a lot quicker than I am. With a slipstream. It's just whether they work together. There's a little group up ahead. It'd be nice to catch them up. .648. Whether I will or not, I don't know. So we're catching this guy up then. Half a second we've taken out of him. And he's gone off. So, we've got him. Where next? My head's going a bit quicker than us, I think. Don't know what lap time we can do. Just doing 11.5. It's all in the 11s, aren't they? So they're all a lot quicker than us. I mean, our Optiman's 11.1, but that'll be, I guess, with the slipstream. Whether we'll get anywhere near that, I don't know. But we're 3.1 ahead of those guys behind now, so that's good. I don't know if that's the quickest way through there or not. Feels a bit better than that. So we've got a fair bit of distance.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap
There is a group ahead. It'd be nice if they
seconds.
started back.
You're
They were
pulling away from
9
the car
seconds ahead
behind.
though.
The gap is 3.3 seconds.
So what's that? 11.9. So start, I mean, it's a
11.9.
tiny bit quicker than the guy ahead, but
Just
not
set
much.
your fastest lap of the session. The car behind is closing on you.
It would be great
The gap
if they
is
all got together.
3.2 seconds.
Thing is, even if they're slow in the bends, they're quick on the straights. They can help each other. And they're all going slower than me. 12s they're in. I mean, they're just in the 11s. So who knows? Maybe there's a chance. Going a bit slower this lap though.
5 minutes to go.
That's a better exit there. At least the guys behind aren't catching. It's good. 15th though is not great, is it really? 4X as well from getting hit. Seem to be catching a little bit. Slow through that bit though. 4.8 now, so it was 6, wasn't it? We're going to be in the 12s again though. Times are these guys ahead doing? 10s. 10, 11. Yeah, they're going pretty quick, aren't they? Quicker than I am.
12.36. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 3.1 seconds.
I don't think so.
Car stopped ahead.
Got one of that leading group gone off,
You've
is
got
it?
a slow car on the right.
It has.
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 2 seconds.
Okay, that's someone to...
people off the road when they're about to pass you, mate. That's not how racing works. I've enjoyed the process.
So at least I've got someone to chase down the straight now, that'll help. He was quite quick, this guy. He's in the 10s.
Against the fallen code, my friend, so good luck with that.
Has he got damage? I'll follow you, Carol, if you drag me along.
You ruin people's days. Can't handle the fucking competition.
So is he going to go through? Is he going to be quick? What do we reckon? Maybe. The slipstream makes a big difference, doesn't it? Really helping our lap time.
9.293. The car in P6 just set the fastest lap. 8.506. Car on your left. You're pulling away from the car behind.
Eso no
The
se puede
gap
hacer,
is
bro. Esta última vuelta no se puede
6.3
hacer.
seconds.
Esto es
Still
reportable,
there.
lo sabes, ¿no?
White flag.
Eso es lo que te va a
Stay
pasar.
smooth.
White flag.
Still there. You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 6.4 seconds. Still there. Clear. 11.233. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
As well.
Okay, well, let's just follow him anyway. Learn from his lines. Oh, his line's not as good as mine. If he's got some damage. So I guess the question is, can I overtake him? Probably.
Dude, where did you go? I was all the way to the inside.
Do I try and get in now, or do I wait until after the chicane? What do we think? I think after the chicane. Although, I've got back a long way.
You're right there, yeah.
Have I got the run? I don't know that I have.
Well done.
I think I've dropped back too far.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You're gonna get done.
Yeah, I think I've dropped back too far. I'll have lots of speed, but I'm too
Maybe
far
even
back.
a little vacation for you, Angel.
Slow car ahead. Car stop there.
Okay.
Right.
Not bad. Could have been better.
Better schedule some
Let's have a look at those
testing. We'll get 'em next
incidents.
time.
Okay then, so we're just coming back to the start. We've all sort of gone for it, and let's just see where the incidents were. So this is 3 abreast. Makes it a bit difficult. Oh dear. Oh, so that was the one I was involved in, wasn't it? I just came through on the inside. Lucky me. And then what have we got? So this is the guy... Oh. Did he bash him off the track? He didn't really bash him off the track, did he? Then what's going on? Oh! Quite a lot of door banging, isn't there, going on here? And what have we got? What's that purple car? Just drifted wide into him. And then what's going on? Oh, just... There's a lot of bashing. A lot of bashing. There's some more bashing going on. Is this front group? It was. Oh, and that's the guy then. Okay. Who was not very happy. I mean, like a racing incident to me. What do I know? Oh dear. That wasn't a racing incident. That was a pit manoeuvre. And is this the final lap? Yes, it was by the looks of it. No, it wasn't the final lap. This is... They're still racing, oh yeah. They make space, don't they, when there isn't any? This is that big group again. Oh, got that wrong. It's an unusual place to go. Is this going to be a pit manoeuvre? I mean, he came down and there was a car left. He shouldn't have gone down, really. Is this the leading group? Oh. Oh, that's a bit mean. Oh dear, gosh, well, some pretty rough driving there, I think. Anyway, let's just see. Let's see what that's done for us. So that was top split. I mean, looking at those driving standards, it's hard to believe, but it was. I lost some safety rating and lost a bit of high rating as well. And I mean, yeah, the lap times were really good, weren't they? 9.2, 9.2, 8.5. That must have been with a slipstream. 8, 9, 9. So low 9s is where you need to be. I was miles away. 11.2. Miles away. Yeah, not good. Need to do a bit more work there, I think. But anyway, I enjoyed it. Nice having a little bit of close racing. So I enjoy that. But yeah, I'm well off the pace there. Okay, well, more practice needed. Anyway, I enjoyed that. I certainly did. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.